guys, I'm about to show you guys some trick. This is Valentine's season, you know, and we need some exotic drink this Valentine to, you know, to cool the body with babe. You get me? And that. So that's what this video is going to be about. Just making some really nice cool drinks that we can have this Valentine's season. Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Flora. I make videos from the United Kingdom, and I make videos about my faith, my lifestyle, a few health topics, and a few tips on fashion. If this is something that you're interested in, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Even if you're not interested in it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In today's video, guys, I'm just so excited because I'm showing you guys how to make some mocktails. Guys, some of these mocktails I'm going to be showing you guys on here are things that I've combined together and they've come out really beautiful. So I don't even have, there's not a professional name for it, but I'm going to be giving them some names. So if there's any name you see on the screen here that doesn't look familiar, just know I gave that drink the name because I made it. Okay, I invented it, so I deserve some recognition. You get what I mean? And that, yeah, you get what I'm saying. So without any further ado, let's just jump straight into this video because, oh, hang on, I know I'm looking all like formal.
So the first drink I'm going to be making is this one that I've actually formulated myself. You're going to need some grenadine syrup, some pineapple juice, and some red grape juice. I'm also going to get myself a tablespoon because I want this tablespoon to be full with the grenadine syrup. And once I've done this, I pour it in each of the glasses. You can use teaspoons if you want, but I just get along with my tablespoon. Up next, you need some pineapple juice. This cup that I'm using here measures about 30 mils. So what you want to do is put 2 cups of pineapple juice in each of the glasses as well. You can stir this at this point if you want, but I don't bother with it. I just get on with my red grape juice. I couldn't find the red grape juice, so I'm using red grape sparkling drink, but it doesn't matter which one you use. As long as it's red grapes, it'll be fine. Then you want to put 3 cups in each of the glasses of this as well. You want your red grape juice to be more than your pineapple and your grenadine syrup actually. Then up next, you're gonna get yourself some ice. I love my ice. Look at that magic in that glass. Anyways, I put some ice in it, and that's basically it. This drink is so lovely, guys. It's all ready to be served, and let's get to taste it as well. Time to taste, time to taste, time to taste, time to taste.
I think I'm gonna call this grape, pineapple, and grenadine mix. Cheers.
So the next drink we're going to be making is CHAPMAN. Yes. You're going to need some orange flavored FANTA. You're going to need some SPRITE and also some grenadine syrup. You're also going to need some fruit. I've got my lemon, my lime, my cucumber, and my oranges all sliced up on my plate. Grab yourself 2 glasses and pour in about half of, your orange Fanta into your glasses. You also want to put in some Sprite as well. Ideally, they should be the same amount, but it doesn't matter if one is more than the other, to be honest. It still comes out nice. So I pour in some Sprite and I go ahead and get my grenadine syrup. Now, this is what actually gets the color red. So the more you add, the redder your drink, if that even makes sense. So yeah, I pour in my grenadine syrup and I stir. You want to stir to get that red look. And I go ahead and I actually put in my fruits next into it. I let this sit for roughly about 30 minutes so the flavor can actually get into the drink. And that's basically it. Your CHAPMAN is ready. I didn't add any AGUSTARA bitters in here just because it contains alcohol, and this is a mocktail, not a cocktail recipe. So anyways, time to taste.
Valentine's Day, he's coming. This is gonna be a Valentine's drink. I'm definitely making this in my house on Valentine's Day. Like, cheers to the freaking weekend. I drink to that. Okay.
This next drink we're going to be making is a good substitute for mojito. So you're going to need some cucumbers. I've sliced them and I'm putting them in each of my glasses. You're also going to need some lemon. No, that's not lemon, that's lime, sorry. You're going to need some lime. I put 2 slices of lime, 2 slices of lemon, and some mint leaf into each of the glasses. And I also put in some ice because you want this drink to be nice and chilled. So I put in some ice, and that's basically it. You just grab in your Sprite and you pour it into it. You can add coconut water into it, but I love my Sprite. So I put Sprites into it, and honestly guys, this drink is so nice. And I went ahead spirit it, you know. When I made it, I was like, oh my god, it's actually so nice. Guys, try this drink and let me know. Anyways, time to taste.
It's actually nice, you know. I'm so proud of myself. You know when you think about lime, you're like, oh my god, lime, oh, lime. But honestly, no, I'm not gonna lie, this is actually really nice. Like, cheers. Did I actually make this? No. I'm about to get emotional, yeah.
So this next drink we're going to be trying is a good substitute for pina colada. Now you're going to need your glasses. You're also going to need some pineapple juice. I put some pineapple juice in here. You don't have to measure it. Just gauge how much you want. You can put half a glass in there. It doesn't matter. Then you grab yourself some coconut water. Ideally, the coconut water should be the same amount as the pineapple juice. But even if it's not, it's fine. It doesn't matter as well. Then you also grab yourself some condensed milk. Guys, 1 tablespoon of condensed milk will be just fine. But I think I'm actually addicted to condensed milk, that I've actually put 2 tablespoons in each of the glasses. Anyways, give it a good stir, and just add yourself some ice into it. Ice obviously gives you that cold, chilled taste to it, and that's actually what you need. And this is basically it. This drink is so lovely, guys. Enjoy. The last drink I'm going to be showing you guys is something that you can have in parties. I'm going to be getting some sliced oranges, lemon, lime, cucumber, and I'm going to be putting them all into a glass. This is my little glass verse jug, whatever. I don't actually know what to call this. But I just put in all the fruits that I need. And you also want to grab yourself this Fanta fruit twist flavor, this particular one. Pour it into the glass where you've added your drinks, and then put some ice into it. Ideally, you want this to sit for at least an hour for you to get that taste that you need. And after that hour, you can serve this drink. It is so yummy, guys. This one I definitely recommend, definitely. So let's pour it into a glass so you guys can like see what I'm talking about. I actually don't have a footage of drinking this because I lost it. But yeah, this drink is actually really nice.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two in this video. Honestly, these are drinks that you can enjoy in the comfort of your home without going into the restaurant to spend loads of money for. I've got a substitute for pina colada in this video. I've got CHAPMAN, the famous Nigerian CHAPMAN, in this video. I've got some cucumber, mint and Sprite twist. That's what I'm gonna call this. And oh, I've also got my grenadine, red grape and pineapple twist as well. So guys, like this video is filled with some goodness. I don't feel it there. So thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate. Please, if you found this video useful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until then, I remain yours truly, Flora Forte. Bye bye.